we will show an example of a zenon application in the food and beverage industry. Our first screen is the visualization of a packaging line for beverage, for example for beer or soft drinks. All the machines and conveyors are represented on the main screen, starting from the input of the pallets with empty dirty glasses and ending with the output of the pallets with quality-proven filled bottles. Every machine is colored dynamically, indicating its current operating status. Other important information shown in the overview is the current line status, the shift, the batch, the current versus the planned production volume, and key performance indicators like the overall equipment effectiveness. One of the tools for identifying improvement potential across the packaging line is a graphical analysis of the evolution of the machine's operating status. Simultaneously, the curve display of the OEE indicators is shown, together with the filler speed. The deviations from the ideal situation when the filler is working continuously can be easily identified. The cause-effect analysis is valuable for choosing the adequate improvement actions. Let's come back to our line overview in zenon. A click on the filler allows us to focus our attention on this machine, which is the most important one for such a packaging line. This information gives us a valuable overview of the current production, the percent of broken bottles, the current state and speed, the active alarms, the performance of the machine, the OEE indicators. The online information allows just-in-time and effective corrective actions on process evolution. A good example, therefore, is the OEE waterfall diagram. This graphical representation indicates clearly what type of losses reduce the value of the OEE indicator from the beginning of the production batch. For instance, the breakdowns, the minor stops, or the speed losses. This information highlights clearly the potential of effectiveness improvement. The same analysis is available for historical data too. As mentioned, zenon supports the production team not only to improve the effectiveness, but also to optimize the consumption. We keep the focus further on the filler, this time from consumption management point of view. For the used resources, in our example energy and compressed air, the relevant information is made available. We can see absolute consumption, relative consumption, and the comparison with the consumption norm. A trend display enables to see the correlation between the consumption evolution and production information, as key for identifying the causes for consumption variation out of the normal limits. We presented just a few examples about how zenon is supporting the production teams. With real-time visualization and historical analysis, zenon lets you increase line productivity and optimize material and energy consumption. Zenon in the food and beverage industry. Did you find all of this interesting? Simply contact us. We will be glad to discuss together about the industry challenges and about solutions with zenon.